Are you tired of printing Wikipedia articles only to get a cluttered mess? Discover the hidden button that gives you a perfect printout every time. We'll walk through 3 quick steps. Search for an article, select it, and click the Printable version link. Type the article into the search bar. We'll use technology. Then, from the search results that appear, simply click on the article you're interested in. Now, on the left side of the page, scroll down the menu until you see Printable version and give it a click. That's all there is to it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.